managed to hold 51, 57, 75 on futures into close, unfortunately. Pretty strong call wall there, 51.50. So I'm not surprised we couldn't break through it, but it still kind of sucks. This will probably sell off the rest of that positioning after close. Ranges are going to move up tomorrow. If NFP is not too hot, or if it's soft, I expect we'll probably see more upside tomorrow up into like the 51.75, 51.80 range. Commodities up again today. Dollar down deeply, but yields actually pretty flat over the entire period. Core 1 and 3 month down quite a bit. We're getting back a lot of vol shorting. Forward return on volatility yields still very close to positive, and we actually went just above positive in the pre-market. Well, I guess last night. Move not updated yet. Skew from yesterday went down. That's probably not accurate. 39.16%, so it's roughly the same as it was at the end of the day yesterday. We got RSP up 78 BPS today. QQQ 152. RTY was up 76. Dow up 26. VIX 1 down 116 BPS. And then the only yield that ended positive on the day was the 30. But the 10, 20, and 20 were up for a little bit of that period. I think we have Broadcom earnings tonight. We have PBR earnings tonight. Earnings for BNED were canceled. They have not announced, I don't think yet, when they're going to be doing those. Yeah, so they moved their third quarter earnings. They haven't announced when they're going to be. Not yet. Beyond tonguing $8. Yeah, it seemed to bounce back a little bit at the end of the day there. Not much, but a little. There's a pretty big move in liquidity right after hours. I don't. That might just be like an artifact, though. Where does that put us on the path for tomorrow? I would say we're probably going to see VN rise. I'll probably see GM rise a little bit too. And I think right on track for my end of week target around like 51.90 or so. Maybe for the high of the day, but we'll see. Obviously, NFP is going to play a big role in what happens tomorrow because if it's hot, that's not going to be bullish. It's usually like with small stocks like that, it's usually like an accounting thing if they delay their earnings. I don't think it's like a going out of business thing. Otherwise, I think the response in the stock itself would be probably more dramatic. I think it's just like they just don't have the like audits or everything done yet. 51.90, how did we get here? Well, I mean, it's kind of where I expected us to end the week. Peanut has too much money to keep track of. PBR earnings, I don't know what time they announced them, but I don't think they've announced anything yet. Probably in a little bit. We could check AVGO. They look like they're up about $7 in aftermarket, but I'll check those. Anyway, thank you guys so much. Have a good one.